Businesses are complex. Even if they don't have a lot of staff, they have a lot of information, different processes and terminology. A big part of designing an effective intranet is making sure that we define the right information architecture. The information architecture, or IA, is basically the structuring of information. How should we organise things? The problem with this is that everyone seems to see this in a different way. Everybody has a different mental model. So what we need to do is find consensus so that we create an information architecture which makes sense to the most people possible. In order to understand how different users see the business and how we should organise the information, we run a series of card sorting sessions. Card sorting is a design technique that involves users. We write different topics of information on individual cards, and then we ask users to group those cards into logical categories. There are two types of card sorting. An open sort is where the participants can invent their own categories, and this is useful when you're creating a new site and you need to define a completely new information architecture. A closed sort is different. In this case, the users or the participants have to categorise the information into pre-existing groups. And this is useful if you've got an existing information architecture and you need to bring in a lot of new information. The old-fashioned way to do card sorting is face-to-face with users, using actual real physical cards. It's more time-consuming, but you do get more qualitative insight because you get to actually ask users what they're thinking as they perform the task. Alternatively, you can use online software to run your card sorting exercise. This is good because it gives you a larger sample size and you can get more quantitative insight. Also, this software often comes with built-in analysis tools that allow you to make more sense of the data. Ultimately, whichever way you run your card sorting, you should find that you have an improved sense of the IA that will resonate most with the majority of users.